like to blow things up.
Me money!
Can we please?
I have consumed 10 microwaves of squash.
What the hell is going on?
I like to blow things up.
Me money!
Can we please?
I have consumed 10 microwaves of squash.
Seriously, what the fuck?
I like to blow things up.
Me money!
Can we please?
I have consumed 10 microwaves of squash.
Can someone please explain what's happening here?
I like to blow things up.
Me money! Plankton, what the hell are you talking about?
I have consumed 10 microwaves, Esquire. Can't you see? It's my new plan for world domination.
Oh god, not again.
Seriously, can't we just have a normal day at work for once?
Normal. Ah, that's boring. Now let me continue with my evil monologue while everyone else freaks out over my genius plan.
Jenny's more like insanity. You're gonna get us all killed with your crazy charms.
Oh, shut it, Krabs. You're just jealous of my brilliance. Oh, if you'll excuse me, I have some more microwaves to consume before taking over the world.